fell out. I hear one. Oh, that one won. Some stuff. Oh, went right back. Oh my! That was weird. Just went around like that. That's what it did. Oh, that fell right off. Now it's... Oh, never mind. It still works. Oh, this one's completely dead. The orbit black. There's the two. There's purples. Ah! Here, I'll send in some help. Those are the two that come together and then go in the dark habitat. Oh, down one. Here, I'm gonna put new batteries in the orbit black. It won't be able to get up that good still in the habitat. That one's very old. That was one of my very first ones ever. Oh, fell right back down. Gonna start picking up some of the dead batteries. That's red. Purple. Oh! This one's getting dead. Huh. That one is chasing the orange. It's gonna get up. But not with those two bumping into it though. There. Oh, pink. Not getting up that much now. That white. Okay, I'm gonna turn the others back on. Not these, just these. 5 more. That makes it 5 more. That makes it harder to keep. Oh, the two loud buzzing ones are on. There were no buzzing ones on. Now they are.